Welcome to this lesson on technical analysis. As a beginner, there is need for you to have this basic understanding of what technical analysis is. If you understand this, that would have been a quality foundation you would have laid by the time you begin to use them. The use of mathematical tools and charts to study past market data, especially price and volume, in order to determine or gauge the mood or pulse of the market, that's market direction, is what technical analysis is about. Technical analysis believes that history will always repeat itself, hence the study of historical charts. So in technical analysis, analysts study charts from a historical perspective, and the essence of studying history is the belief that if it happened before, that there is every tendency that it will repeat itself. Technical analysts mainly use charts in their study and forecast of the market. So in technical analysis, you study history and use it to predict the present and the future. Let's quickly look at the charts and see a bit of technical analysis at work. Now here is a chart. Everything you see on this chart from here, this is the current period. So anything you see from here down all the way here is history. Now even if I switch to line chart, everything that's happened here is history. This is the present. Okay, now with what we have here, if for example price had fallen all the way to this place, this is the low it has recorded so far, and I use this to mark it. This is the lowest it has recorded. Now there is the belief by technical analysts that if this has happened, that for price to come back again to this place, if he has pushed price so much up this way, that for it to come back again to this place, that by the time it gets here, that is going to be rejected again. So that belief is what makes this form a barrier to price. So a technical analyst will be focusing on entering the market to buy around here. Also, price had recorded a high here during the past week. So when the week began, it had tried around here and didn't rise up to this point again, so it became a strong barrier too. So price had to come all the way down. If you notice this, you have to come all the way down to gather the momentum that will take it back up. Now if you look at a past data here, you see that it had to come all the way, force itself down before it picked up. So in technical analysis, history is just what you use. Sometimes price respects the history, sometimes at some other times it does not. But one thing is certain, as a technical analyst, you have to be a die-hard optimist in the repeat of history. So that's why technical analysts, they use these mathematical tools a lot in checking up history and projecting into the present and into the future. So in a nutshell, technical analysis involves the use of charts to study history, to determine the present and forecast the future. Subsequently, we will be bringing in the details together, and by the time we are through, I believe you can, at the basic level, begin to analyze the market technically and begin to practice your trading skills in the currencies market. Please take time to watch the other videos, and God bless you.